Are you ready to get started with FerSol? This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use the product for the best possible results. Step 1. Before you begin, ensure you are wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment. This includes safety shoes, long sleeves, safety goggles, gloves. Make sure that all personal protective equipment is worn correctly and in accordance with safety guidelines. Step 2. Shake the FerSol container well before use. This ensures that the product is evenly mixed for maximum effectiveness. Step 3. Mix FerSol with water using the correct ratio. The correct ratio is 2 parts FerSol to 100 parts water. Fill a spray bottle or other suitable container with the solution. Step 4. Thoroughly spray all surfaces you wish to clean with an even layer of the mixed solution. Step 5. Rinse the surfaces using clean water and high pressure to remove the product along with any dirt. FerSol is a powerful green oxidizing chemical that is 63% stronger than chlorine. It transforms cleaning processes by increasing efficiency and delivering fast results. For more details, please visit the FerTech website and discover all that FerSol has to offer.